Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Riders Republic game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game difficulty level within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Riders Republic game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to change your difficulty level, then to do so, simply pause your game by pressing the Start button or the Escape button on your keyboard. Then click on Options, and now from the Options page, make sure that you are within the Gameplay tab, and then scroll down. Once you reach the Opponents section, you can choose your difficulty level. The Standard difficulty is the easiest one. Then comes the Pro, the Expert, and the Elite. With the increase in each difficulty level, you will get more XP and bonuses. However, this will have no effect if you are playing in the Zen mode, which is the free roam mode. So choose your desired difficulty level, and once you have made your selection, you can just press the back button, and this will save your changes. Now you can continue to play your game in your chosen difficulty level for the campaign mode. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.